In this video, I'll show you the Propitect asset map and how to navigate it. The map view gives us a visual overview of all the assets assigned to your profile. Admins can see every asset across the organisation. You can zoom in, pan around, and quickly locate any asset. Clicking on an asset pin opens a summary showing the asset name, the supplier, the owner, and the asset type. Pins are colour-coded, green for healthy, red for alarms or faults. This gives you an instant insight into the status of your devices. For example, let's zoom in on Shepparton, home of MATelec Australia, and take a look at a couple of sample assets. Clicking a red pin shows faults, while a green pin confirms everything is working fine. Next, we'll explain the difference between devices and assets and show you how to manage both in Propitect.